Assalamu alaikum, this is Aslam, and in this video I am going to demonstrate the process of installing the code blocks and setting up the Glut for OpenGL environment. These files are given below in the video description. So I'm going to install the code block first. So just press next and I agree. Next as the destination location. Install. It will take few seconds. And finished. After CodeBlocks installation, go to this folder and copy this file first, glut32dll, and go to the C drive on this folder, and if your PC is 64-bit then search for sys or 64. Go to this folder and get the file here and just refresh. And if your PC is 32-bit then go to this folder and paste here. Next I'm going to copy this header file glut.s, going to the program file, then CodeBlocks NJW, and here the include, and here is the GL and paste here. Lastly, I have to copy this lib file, go to lib and go to this lib folder and paste it here. So it's done. Now it's time to open the CodeBlocks. After opening the CodeBlocks, go to the setting, then compiler, and here is the linker setting. Clear previous linker settings and press add, then browse, and then go to this location, and from here actually we are going to add two files. So search for first lib glue 32a and press OK, open, and second file is browse in the same location, search for lib OpenGL 32a and press OK, and OK. So we're good to go. Now we're going to create a new project. You have to select this Glut project, and I'm going to name it as first project. Next, so if this location will not appear automatically, then you have to browse and select this location carefully. Then next, finished in CPP. So lastly you have to add on include windows.s, and we're good to go. Now build and run. You can see it is running successfully. So if you face any kind of difficulties, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.